Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to calculate matrices, that is how to solve multiplication of matrices using your Casio calculator. So let's suppose we are given matrix B and C. This is our B and this is our C, and we are asked to find matrix BC. So I'll be using my Casio calculator to verify this answer if it is right or wrong. Now, this is actually my Casio calculator. So in this case, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to press on. After pressing on, right, I will move to mode. After moving to mode, you are going to see 1. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the position, on the 6th page, right? Let me just say on the position 6, right? You can see something like matrix here, right? So after seeing this matrix, then you press 6 on your calculator. You press the button 6, right? After pressing button, it will bring matrix. Then you are going to have mat A, 2 mat B, and 3 is mat C. Then don't forget that here I actually want to input my B and C to calculate for what? Matrix BC. So what I'm going to do is that first thing I will do is that if you look at this very well, I'm having mat A, mat B, mat C. Since I'm only dealing with mat B and C, then I will press 2, right? Pressing 2 here, it will bring in 3 by 3 order. Let me just say it will bring order of matrices. That is, maybe it is 3 by 2 that you want to calculate for, or 3 by 3, or 2 by 2, or 2 by 3, or 3 by 1, or 1 by 2, or 2 by 1. You understand? So here in this case, since both my matrix B and matrix C, they are of the same order, that is, they have the same row and the same column. So what I'm going to do is that I will come back to my matrix and press 1, since both of them are of the same row and column, that is, since they are 3 by row and also column, then I will press, and also column rather, then I will press 1 here. After pressing 1, you can see something here, right? You can see something here, so don't mind the figure that is here actually. So you are going to press your mat B, which is what? Which is this. That means I'm going to press it there. Then you are going to use your button to press it. You press 3 equals to, then minus 1 equals to. After that, you press 2 equals to, right? Followed by 4 equals to, followed by 1 equals to, followed by minus 3 equals to, followed by 2 equals to, minus 3. Then you press equal here, right? Then after that, you have 5. Press equal. Then if you look at this now, everything is all, we've all pressed everything, right? If you look at it, we have 3 here, 3, 4, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 3, then 2, minus 3, and 5. Looking at this very well, you see it there. This is 3, right? This is minus 1, this is 2, this is, we have 4 here, we have 1 here, we have minus 3 here, we have 5 here, we have minus 3 here, and also 2 here. So as you can see, so after pressing my mat B, then I'll press on again. After pressing on, then you press your mode again, move to 6, which is your matrix. Then which matrix do you want to input? It is mat C actually. Then you press 3 again. Then you press 1, since it is 3 by 3 matrix that we are solving here. Then you press 1 again. After pressing 1 again, then you move to your mat C and press everything there. Then you just press 1. After pressing 1, you press your equals to. Can you see that? Then you press 3 again, you press equals to, right? Then you press 0 again, you press equals to. You press 4, you press equals to sign here. After that, you press minus 2, you press equals to. Then minus 1 equal, right? 3 equal, minus 1, you press equal again, you press minus 2 equal. So if you don't want to use this equal sign, you can look for, if your calculator actually have what is actually called enter, you can press enter. It will still the same thing, right? So let's go ahead and verify this. So here we are having 1, 4, 3, right? 1, 4, 3. Is it right? Yes. Then the next one we are having 3 minus 2 and minus 1. Is it right? Yes. Then the next one we are having 0, right? 0 minus 1 and also what? Minus 2. So it is right. So after that, then let's go ahead and do the multiplication, right? So then I'll press on again. I'll press on again. After pressing on, then you guys need to be careful. You need to calm down and listen to this aspect. Then you press shift 4. You press shift 4. After pressing shift 4, check it very well. It will bring all the matrices. So in this case, I'm interested in just only mat B and C. Then I'll press 4. Since this is my mat B, I'll press 4. 4, right? After pressing 4, it will bring mat B. Then multiply by, I'll press multiply sign. Then again, shift 4. Then I'll move to my mat C, which is what? 5. I'll press 5 again, which is mat B times mat C. Then I'll press equal to sign. Can you see this down? So looking at this, we have 5 minus 1, 5. We have what? Again here we have 9, 13, 7. Then we have 13, 5 and minus 7. So let's verify if that's the answer. If you look at this now, this is 5 minus 1, 5. Exactly. It's the same thing. Then here we have 5, 13, 9, 13. As exactly. This is 9, 13 and 7. Exactly. Then minus 3, exactly, 5 and minus 7. So that's just it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and do well to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.